Hi, my name is Mrs. Manning, and I'm one of the instructional support teachers here at Lincoln Edge. Today, we're going to be talking about how to navigate the parent portal. When your student's application was approved, you received an email with a username and password to access the parent portal. There is a separate account created for each guardian listed on the account. So, you want to log in to Genius on the same website that your student does, and then use the username and temporary password that was provided for you. To create a password that is easy for you to remember, you want to scroll down on the left-hand side to where it says Edit Account. You click on Edit Account, and there you can paste the old password in and then create a new password. Your password must include at least one capital letter, at least one lowercase letter, at least one number, and at least one special symbol. Once you have created the new password, then you will use this password from then on to log in to your account. You will see on your dashboard a box for each of your students' classes. Now, currently, this student has not yet started their coursework. So you do not see grades listed. But when your student has started their course, you will see their overall grade and their actual grade listed for each course. The overall grade is the grade on the work they have completed so far. The actual grade is the grade on the work they've completed so far, with zeros put in for any items that are missing and they are behind. You will also see the start and end dates for your student's course and their progress within the course, how many assignments they have completed so far, and how many they are expected to have completed so far. If the grades are red or yellow, that means that your student is behind. And so you want to make sure that they get caught up. If they are green or blue, that means they are on pace or ahead. So this is nice that you get a snapshot of each class as you look at this dashboard. You can also view your student's activity by clicking on the Student Activity tab on the left-hand side. The student's activity shows how many minutes and hours they have worked each day. So remember, to meet attendance requirements, your student needs to either be on pace in all of their courses by Sunday night or reach their weekly minutes requirement by Sunday night. For K to 5 students, that number is 375 minutes. And for our grades 6 through 12 students, that number is 750 minutes. So here you can look. Our school week is from Monday through Sunday, so you can look and see how many minutes they have logged so far in the week. And if you need to extend this table so you can see more dates, so for example, if you wanted to see all of last week's minutes, you could get data and you could see all of last week's minutes from Monday through Sunday. Now, just a reminder that today's minutes do not show up in the student activity log until tomorrow. So do not worry if your student has 0 minutes logged today and they've told you they've logged in today. You'll be able to see the total minutes they have logged tomorrow in the system. If you have any questions regarding navigating the parent portal, please contact Edge Support or your student's case manager.